Okay, let's test the questions for Proc-2 English section. Let's look at the first question. The first question says, the passage given below is followed by a question. Choose the most appropriate answer to the question. Now let's look at the passage. This passage is a film review of a film called Pretty Baby, and which the author says it provokes disturbing questions, but these questions in itself in the film are left unexplored, and the authors also say that the film fails as a serious visual statement of important moral issues. So basically he is reviewing the film and also giving an opinion that the film is not successful as a visual statement because it might have dealt with the issues, but it completely fails to deal with the complete issues under prostitution. So let's look at the question now. The question says, which of the following best summarizes the passage? So when the question is asking best summarizes, he is asking us for the main idea. So now let's look at the options. The first option says, Pretty Baby treats serious issues on a superficial level and hence deserves the plaudits. Now if you look at these words very carefully, which say deserves the plaudits, if you remember the first paragraph where the author was saying that the film fails, this option can be negated on the basis of that. Let's look at the second option, which says Pretty Baby makes a mockery of the serious issues prevailing in the society. Now nowhere in the passage it has been stated that the film is mocking any of the serious issues. It in fact tries to deal with the serious issues but fails in doing so. So this option is also negated. Let's look at the third option. The third option says Pretty Baby justifies the treatment given to the moral ambiguities present in the story. Now this option is completely contradicting the view of the authors, so therefore it also goes for a toss. Let's look at the fourth one, which says Pretty Baby seems flawless to some critics. Yes, it has been applauded by a minority of critics. However, it genuinely falls short of giving proper treatment to the subject. Yes, that is what the author was saying in the first line of the paragraph. So let's keep this at bay. Let's examine the other option also. It says Pretty Baby does not portray a realistic picture of prostitution but makes up for the loss due to dramatic performances in the film. Now performances of the actors are not mentioned anywhere in the passage, therefore this option also goes for a toss, and ultimately the fourth option becomes the right option. Thank you.